Oh, he unavailable. Okay, it's cool. Welcome back to another video. We're here, Creative Garage headquarters. Today, we are going to go on an adventure, and
we're gonna do some go to Mazda, pick up some goodies for the MV. So you guys better stay tuned. Lit.
tag along. Alright, so right now we are at Mazda. Got the dealership right here. We're gonna go ahead and get the part that we're looking for the Miata, and we should be good to go. Let me know if you guys are one of those people who have actual keychains on your keys. I mean, if you look at my keys, it's not really too special. It's just this thing and oh, but I know a lot of people are some real diehard fans out there, so just let me know in the comments what you rocking with. Alrighty, so right here we got the brand new valve cover gasket. OEM all day. I was reading in the forums that they always recommend go OEM. No one ever recommended anything aftermarket or from AutoZone or O'Reilly's. So I went ahead, followed directions as I should, and it's gonna be looking good. Secure the package, coach. We got it. We're in the game. We're gonna head back down to our side of town. We paid up. Now we're about to go work out. All right, so we're back in the garage. We went ahead and picked up everything from Mazda. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of old girl right here. She's looking a little ooh-wee. We're gonna bring her back looking crazy. That is the plan.
Hey, we here. My boy, we get to his house. You see what he doing. There's no games being played. How you feeling?
Chilling.
He out here getting everything all chromed up for y'all. Y'all see it. Ooh wee. All right, go ahead, spray it up. See what you got.
Oh, you okay? Foamed up. So we're gonna let that sit. Then we're gonna come back. Then we're gonna scrub that thing. Good stuff, man. Oh, check it out. Oh, got me. Dang. He's check it out. New sticker. What that sticker do? Oh, click it. What else happened? Uh-oh. Right to the page, right there. You guys see it. Brand new sticker, fresh out, first version. Go ahead, tap in with us. We want to get these out to you guys. You go ahead and scan this with your phone. It'll take you right to our page. All right, guys, just want to go ahead and give you guys a little update. Here's what the valve cover is looking like as of right now. Still, once again, we're gonna go ahead and put the primer on top. We're gonna make sure to mask everything. I got VHT engine enamel primer, and then the luxurious anodized color coat. This is gonna be good. I'm really excited for that. So we got the cans, we got the masking tape. I bought some extra gloves. I always like to make sure we have gloves. I do need to get a box of rubber gloves just so we can go, be quick about it. But awesome. Thanks again at Harbor Freight. You already know what it is, Harbor Freight. We love them so much. we went ahead and got everything taped up. On the back side, gonna probably patch up the tape this up right here, cover the valve. Should be good to go. Oh, yeah, it's mixed.
So you can hear it. When it ain't mixed, it's hard for the ball to move around.
Cool, all masked up. Masked up.
You know what I mean?
Fire, yeah, it's looking good already, bro.
That's the first coat.
First coat, y'all. Looking good. Ooh-wee. Yeah, this is gonna be a banger. All right, second coat. Yeah, a little overview. This is looking crazy, bucko. Yeah, this is gonna be the hit. Okay. Currently on my way to Ace Hardware. Need some red gasket sealer real quick. I shouldn't have got it from my homie's house. Sorry. RX-8 went by. Got a little something right here. My bad. Ooh, wait. Oh, get out. Damn it. Yeah, it's been bad out here. Ooh. Ace Hardware. Alright. See what we got here. Oh, okay. Pulled up in the right area, bro. That Permatex, real deal. Go ahead and start getting everything assembled, everything cleaned up, and we need to make this look a little bit nicer than what it does now. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, get that all taken care of, and then once we're done with that, we're in the game. Silicone to here, and there. So once we do that, we'll be good to go. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and woo! It is on. We got the Merlot red valve cover. Oh, it hit different. I like it. Looks good, looks nice. Once again, this is a DIY at-home project. Yeah, I think honestly we did good for our first time. Last one was all oily and spotty. This one's looking good. We're gonna go ahead and start tightening everything down in sequence. And we're gonna make sure we torque it down to 50 pounds on torque spec. We just finished up. It's looking great. How you feel about it? How you feel about it? How you feel about it?
I'm loving it.
A little cleany. So I try to get down, you know, definitely clean up the engine bay, just tad bit. But let's go ahead and take a look. Boom. Crazy. The Merlot red. Went ahead and swapped out some vacuum lines. He's looking pretty good. Like I said, so you won't see this here for longer, but as she is now, I think she definitely looks a lot better than what she did. I'm excited. This is pretty cool. First valve cover job I ever did. Shout out to you for the help. Appreciate it.
It's solid in the sun. Yeah, this shit look fire in the sun. Ooh, wee, bucko. Yeah. So he's about to start the car. Make sure we have no leaks in the valve cover. We just changed the gasket, so we're gonna make sure no oil gets through. I'm seeing no leaks. Oh yeah. We're not seeing no leaks, coach. Woo! What's up? Okay. Yeah. Y'all see the new vacuum lines? You know what I mean? Wanted to put something, you know, something different on there.
Bro, it hit different. Oh my god.
It's hitting for sure. Like,
oh, okay. Yeah. I just wanted to say one thing. So like, look, honestly, I was pretty scared in the beginning of doing all this because anything could happen. So I was like, all right, cool. But I went ahead, kept strong, kept my right foot forward, and we went ahead and got it taken care of. Honestly, if I had anything to say after this job, you'll never know what might happen or what kind of result you'll get unless you try. One more time, try. I'm gonna insert the definition right here. Hey, if I can do it, you can definitely do it. So don't ever be discouraged when you're working on your own car. If so, always do a little bit of research. Take that little bit of research, even if you have to look back and do it bolt by bolt, it beats, you know, messing up anything. Look at that.
y'all see it running, no leaks, no squeaks.
Alright guys, I'm back in the Miata. We're gonna go ahead and end the video right here. If you went ahead and liked the video, go ahead and drop a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, still drop a thumbs up. Give a big shout out to my brother, Simply Big. Go ahead and make sure to follow him. Go ahead and make sure to follow my boy at RealZeal123 for more super content. Here's some more strange shit you don't see every day. They got a whole mask on. Like, who is you scaring?